Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I will show you how to fix the Facebook bug that pauses Spotify or Apple Music whenever you close or switch the Facebook app. If you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button for more helpful tutorials. Let's get started. First thing first, update your Facebook and Spotify. For that, go to the App Store and click the search icon, type Facebook, and make sure to update the Facebook. Once it's done, close this and type Spotify and go to Spotify and click update. Step 2, disable background app refresh for Facebook. For that, go to settings and you can find option called general, and from that you can see option called background app refresh. Click that and find the Facebook and turn off the toggle. This stops Facebook from interfering with your active audio session when it's not playing. Step 3, turn off camera and microphone access for Facebook. Go to settings and if you scroll to the bottom you can see an option called apps. Click that and search for a Facebook. Click that and you can see option called camera and microphone. Turn off both toggles. Facebook continuously requesting the microphone permission, so it can interfere Spotify, so better to turn off. Step 4, reinstall Facebook. If it still happens, go to Facebook and hold it tight and it will show option called remove app. Click that and delete the Facebook completely. Once it's done, go to the App Store, search for a Facebook and reinstall the Facebook. But make sure before you log in, go to the settings and if you scroll down you can see option called privacy and security. Click that and if you scroll down you can see option called microphone and click that. Once you go to the microphone option you can see as a Facebook. Make sure this toggle is off. This way we can reset corrupted background permission that causes playback interruptions. Step 5, if nothing works you can use Safari or Facebook Lite temporarily. For that, go to your browser, search for a facebook.com and log into your Facebook.